Hello everyone, I'm excited to share my recent project, Remplr, which is a full stack meal planner app. So for frontend, I have used React and backend is a Node-based API. Let's have a quick look on the API documentation, which will make it clear we are going to proceed. So right now, the features include ingredients management, recipe management, meal plan management. So these are the things you can do right now. So at frontend, there are certain features applied, and backend is handling all the authorization and data management. So you might create an ingredient, or you can retrieve ingredients and then like update ingredients. These are all the routes right now at backend. So this is my design architecture. Let me just zoom it down for you. So this is how it looks right now. So that's the architecture. So there are auth routes, user routes, and then there is a middleware which like ensures authorization. Maybe admin has certain rights and nutritionists have certain rights. So this is how database architecture looks right now. And this is my database schema. There are different tables in the database, which is a PostgreSQL. So that's how right now. I will share the link in the description so that you can have more look into that. And these are all the routes I have shown in the documentation. And let's see how the app actually looks like at front end. Let me just play this video here. So this is the homepage right now for the app at front end, which is built using React. And I'm just going through the full page here. So this is the contact on the bottom, and let's scroll back. So this is like the prompt or call to action button, and then we're going to the login or register page. This is the nav bar. Let's log in, and then you can sign up. Let's go back to home page and let's look on more details. Let's log in now. I'm going to log in here with my test nutritionist login. So the login is only for the nutritionist because it's a nutritionist platform. So let's go. So this is the homepage, updated homepage based on the login. This is like a onboarding for now. Like this is how it works. It explains all the things in 6 steps, and then you can, once you scroll down, these are all the things updated based on the login. These are like components are being reused. So now we are going to the ingredients page. This is the liked ingredients, and then once you click on the card, it shows you details. And now I'm just liking it, unliking it here. Let's see. So this alert shows up once you click on like or unlike. Let's go back to home and then look at our liked recipes. So these are our liked recipe. Once you click on the card, it will show the details, and then you can unlike it or like it again. And then these are the details we can see, like nutrition level, and then yeah, that's the alert right now. So let's go back to meal plans. So these are the meal plans already saved right now. So we created it, and then let's go to one, and then this is the meal plan looks like right now. Once you create it, it shows up here, and then these are all the recipes associated with the meal plan. So if you notice, there are certain instructions which are not posted yet. So it's based on what data I have obtained from the API. If it is not posted, it just shows that no instructions posted yet. So let's go back. I'm just going back here. Let's go back to home. And now let's look at more details in the nav bar. So these are all the ingredients we can see, which is being pulled from API. Let's go back. Let's go down and let's look at one of the ingredients here. Maybe let's look at salmon. And then you can see it's not liked yet. I will like it or unlike it again. So let's like it here, and let's go back and see if it worked or not. Let's go to home page. Okay, so let's go to our saved ingredients. So these are all liked ingredients. Now you see it, this is the one we liked right now. Now I can just unlike it again or like it again based on if I like it or not. So let's go back. So let's go to recipes and see all the recipes here. These are the recipes which are being pulled, and this is another component which is pulling all the recipes and populating it in the recipe card. This is the recipe details page again. So yeah, so if you notice, same thing again, instructions are not posted yet here for this one. So now I will just like this. I just double clicked here. Yeah. So if you notice, just go back and then look at our saved recipes. So this is the recipe I just saved right now. Where it is, yeah, that's the one, the last one, bacon wrap. And then let's go back and unlike it, and then go back to the liked ones, and then it will not show up anymore here. So it's already updated on the backend, and now it's just showing up here that it's liked or not. So now we see the profile page here. You can edit all the details here except username, and then you can save it. Let's go back to the main thing now, meal planner. This is the meal planner, and then once you click on create, it will populate the initial buttons, and then you can click on each button to bring up the row for each meal. So if you click on reset, it will just reset everything, and then you have to restart again. Now let's look at one of the meal plan. We will create a new meal plan here. So I'm just creating a lunch here. Let's add recipes. So this is the model component which is being populated with the recipes component which was already created for recipes, and then this is just showing up here. So let's go here. I'm going to add all the recipes here for just the lunch here, and then we will save it. Let's see. I like this one, and then that. So in order to confirm, you will have to give it a name, and then you need to enter your username. Make sure you enter the username correct. If not, it will show up an error message here, and let's test it out. Save it. Yeah, it gives error message, and you won't be able to create meal plan if it's incorrect username. So let's save it. Okay. So yeah, you will receive the notification here that it was saved successfully. Let's go back and then see our saved meal plans. Let's see here. I'm just going back home, and then these are all our saved meal plan. So that last one was the one we created just now. So yeah, this is the meal plan we created, and these are all the recipes associated with that. If you notice, these are all the components are being reused. So these details for the recipes are pulled from the same component which I use for recipes, and then this is how it looks right now. So if you notice this, I just refresh the page. So yeah, these are all the recipes associated with the meal plan. Let's go back, just showing you here. Okay, let's go back to home. Yeah, we can log out here and we'll show a message here. And yeah, this was the app right now. So I spent enough time working on this. It was a great challenge for me to build this app. So on front end, React made me understand like how we can use different components and reusability and managing all the state for the app. Maybe user logged in, or if you are just logged in, it will show a message there. So that was the major challenge for me to work on this app. And then at backend, I had authorization for different access for different routes, so that was another challenge. And then I encrypted all the passwords using bcrypt, which is encryption, which is used for encrypting our password, and it's all stored in the backend database. So yeah, that was the app. I will share the links for you to test it out, and thank you.